What is an AI chatbot and can it actually talk to your customers? Stay until the end of this video as I break down what an AI chatbot is and why so many small businesses are using chatbots to grow their business. An AI chatbot answers questions in real time to turn website visitors into leads. So if your website gets thousands of views every month but you aren't talking to those customers, you're losing money. Here's how it works. Head to myaifrontdesk.com and click the Start Free button. After entering your business information, head to your front desk dashboard and click on where it says Website Chatbot. This AI chatbot allows you to customize the appearance to match your company's branding. You could even change the greeting phrase to make it unique for when website visitors click on your chatbot. You'll then want to copy the embed code at the bottom of this page. You'll then want to head to your website, and for the purpose of this video, I'm using a website made from B0. Paste the embed code before the closing body tag in your website's HTML. And just like that, an AI chatbot is now live on your business's website. After you're done talking to your chatbot, the information from that chat will be stored in a CRM, creating a summary with information like the client's name, when the lead is created, and specific information discussed in the chat. Now that you know what an AI chatbot is, you can now run your small business without having to stop servicing for your customers. Head to myaifrontdesk.com and click the Start Free button to get started.